Generally, an individual's dressing sense, actions, and body language play a crucial role in creating an impression on people around us. But one factor that is also essential is oral beauty. But what is oral beauty? Oral beauty includes how pleasantly and widely we smile, how well maintained and healthy our teeth are, how rosy our lips are, and how fresh our breath is. Imagine you are giving a presentation with your crooked yellow teeth, dry lips, and bad breath coming out of your mouth whenever you utter a word. Well, the situation could be really embarrassing for you, isn't it? No matter how well dressed we are or how composed we look, if our oral beauty is not maintained, then our impression might not be that good. First of all, our oral beauty consists of factors like our smile. As studies show, having a beautiful smile not only increases our confidence and self-esteem, but also gives us happiness in life. A report found that a good smile is known to affect your mood positively and relieves tension. Smiling not only affects the person giving it, but also the person who receives it. Hence, it is highly contagious. But the impact of your smile could be hammered if it's backed by crooked teeth. As per studies, crowded or crooked teeth can make us reluctant to smile. And while body standards shouldn't dictate how we feel, the perception of others about our oral beauty can lead to us having a lower self-esteem. But the problem of crowded teeth can be solved with the help of oral beauty products like clear aligners. And for this, one can depend on Toothsi aligners. They're invisible and affordable. They have no food restrictions as they can be removed and worn easily. And let's not forget, you can start your Toothsi journey at your home itself. You just need to visit our website to book a 3D scan. More than 70,000 smile plan designed because it is invisible, affordable, and super comfortable. And getting more information about this is as simple as visiting their website. The negative effects of crowded teeth do not stop here. It can also impact your process of chewing food. If teeth are not correctly lined up, you'll be at a higher risk of cracking, breaking, or fracturing while you eat. Now, sudden pain while eating and smiling with a misaligned tooth is just going to make you look funny. The problem of misaligned teeth can also impact your speech. People can pronounce words because of the teamwork between teeth and tongue. They create sounds by curling or pressing lips against the teeth. Sounds come out perfectly with the perfectly aligned teeth. If teeth are misaligned, those that are out of line, regardless of whether they are leaning forward or backwards, may lead to distortions in speaking patterns. Sounds will not leave your mouth correctly when the upper and lower teeth do not fit together. Another factor of oral beauty is our breath. If an individual has bad breath, it can get him down. As per the Health Ministry's National Health Portal, more than 50% of the population in developed countries have the problem of bad breath. Bad breath affects a person's daily life, causes social and psychological discomfort, and affects their relationship with other people. People who suffer from this problem are often found covering their mouth while talking, keeping a distance from other people, or avoiding social interactions. It can make them conscious or anxious in social situations. On the other hand, dealing with bad breath can renew your confidence in social and work situations, and even improve your overall health. Maintaining oral beauty is not recent. The practice has been followed since ancient times, like the invention of teeth aligning instrument called bando in 1728 by a French dentist. And a Greek surgeon recommended a liquid to assist in combating bad breath in around AD 4090. No wonder these practices are still carried on to have a long-lasting impression on others. Today, as many reports and studies indicate, maintaining factors of oral beauty has become an essential part of our lifestyle, as it helps in bringing more positivity and increases self-esteem. It should not be ignored. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please like, share and subscribe to Nutshell, and let us know in the comments what other topics you would want us to cover in our next videos. Till then, bye.